Hello besties, today it is not a cup tutorial. We are doing a DIY bestie hoodie using our bestie SVG. But before that, let me welcome you to our YouTube channel and make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms and click that subscribe button so you can be notified of any new content. Make sure to check out our website and our Patreon. Okay, so where do you get the SVG? Go to misfit-makers.com, click on shop, and download the SVG. You will get it as a PNG and an SVG. So once you have it uploaded to your Cricut or Silhouette or any other cutting software, you want to make sure to click that ungroup button. You want to make sure to change it all up. That's if you want different colors. I'm doing two variations. One that's all black, so I welded it all together and I sized it 9.08 by 7.44 inches. You can make it bigger or smaller. If you want two different colors, you want to make sure to select the different pieces, ungroup them, and select them in different colors. Then attach them. So here I have my two pieces because I've already cut my solid one and now I'm doing two different colors. I'm doing a pink and a teal, and I'm doing an all black one. So when you are using HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl, you want to select the everyday iron. That's what I do. And you want to make sure that you mirror your images because you want them to cut on the opposite side. I know it seems weird because usually we cut vinyl for tumblers, but for this you want to mirror it. So it's going to cut backwards. So I'm going to start off by cutting the black one and then the pink one. So I fast forwarded through that because nobody wants to watch a cutter cut. So here, as you see, I went with my settings a little bit too harsh, so it cut through the plastic. So just play around with your cutting machine and your blade and keep all those things in consideration. Here I am just weeding it. This is the all black one. So I made an all black one for a pink hoodie, and then I made a pink and teal one for the black one. So after you're done weeding all the pieces, we'll do this one first, then we'll do the next one, and I'll tell you what I did next. Okay, so now that I have my black one all weeded out, now I'm gonna work on my pink and teal one. This is gonna go on a black hoodie, so I want those colors to be very vibrant. One thing I wanna point out though here, guys, keep your scraps of this, especially because we are going to use it like a little confetti thing. I saw it on a video one time and I'm like, oh, I wonder if I can do it. So save your scraps for this one. Okay, you can do it for the black too, but especially for this one because it's going to give it the effect. So like I said, I'm putting this one on a black hoodie. I got the black hoodie from Walmart in the men's section. Never forget to look through the men's section. Sometimes they have the cutest hoodies and shirts, so just keep your eye open. The other one, the all black one, I am doing it on a pink and like a dark pink and a light pink hoodie that I found at Sam's Club. Again, don't sleep on Sam's. Sometimes they have some cute little shirts and hoodies. So anyway, I'm going ahead and weeding the bestie part using my little weeding pin and making sure that you keep all those extra pieces. See how it is mirrored? This is exactly how you want it because when you place it on your fabric, it goes face down. And so it's gonna go the right way. So if you've never done HTV or done shirts like this, then this is the way to do it. Okay, so here is the little extra pieces that I was saying. I'm using my little rolly cutter and I'm just cutting them in tiny little pieces. Make sure not to get your fingers. It looks like I'm about to get my fingers, but only because it's going on super hyper speed mode. I wasn't going this fast. So make sure you have plenty of both colors and make them in different little shard looking pieces or even smaller pieces. Or I even thought about using like a hole punch, like that would be cool if you wanted like a confetti look. But this was my first time doing it, so I was just kind of rolling with it. Okay, so I have my heat press already nice and hot. I usually press my garment one time to get it nice and smooth, get all the wrinkles out. I forgot to show that, I apologize. Follow the directions of your heat transfer vinyl. Each one is a little bit different. I think this one is at 300, but I cannot for sure tell you, but make sure you follow the instructions. So after I press it for the allotted time, which I believe was like 15 seconds, then I take off the protectant layer and then I go back and press it one more time, just with the protected sheet there. And here we go. This is the first one. Look how cute. This is the one from Sam's that I told you. And the vinyl is all black. Okay, now for my favorite one. Again, follow the directions of the vinyl. Also, if you see here, you wanna, this is a layered look. So I wanna press down my first layer, and you're gonna press it down for about 3 to 5 seconds, just enough to tack it down. You don't wanna burn it. Then you wanna remove the protectant layer and add your next layer of vinyl. So in this case, it's the Bestie vinyl. So again, I'm just gonna press it for about 3 to 5 seconds, just enough to tack it on there. And then I'm gonna remove that plastic layer very slowly. Some vinyl you can take off the thing right away, or sometimes you have to wait for it to cool. Okay, this is the fun part. So as you see, it has a right and a wrong way. So I spent a lot of time making sure all my vinyl was going the correct way because I wanted the color part to show. So I just went around there very carefully not to burn myself because the thing was on. So I just went around flipping over all the little pieces. Yes, it's very tedious. Yes, I'm aware that now they make a special vinyl that you can do this, like the confetti vinyl, that you could just sprinkle it on there and it'll work. But hey, I was DIYing this and I wanted to just try it, okay? I'm not a shirt maker, I'm not a hoodie maker, this is not my forte, but I thought it would be a fun way to use this amazing SVG that, again, it's available at our website and you can make whatever you want using the Bestie logo. Okay, so after that I used parchment paper to cover it so it wouldn't move. And then I pressed it very lightly. Look, I'm still kind of flipping around some of the pieces. And then I'm gonna press it one more time just to make sure everything's laying flat. It's not perfect by any means, but I've now, from this day, I've had it for over 2 years. I wear it probably every week, at least once or twice, because I'm always cold. And it has held the test of time, okay? So it has worked. So anyway, I'm going back and adding a few more pieces, as you can see, and just kind of making my way around there. And look at the final result. So I'm wearing one and then the other one. Look at how cute it is. Tell me it's not cute, okay? Just tell me it's not cute because it is. And here she is. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope you're inspired to make all your beautiful things with this SVG. You can put it on tumblers, on shirts, on whatever you like. But anyway, I just want to thank our Patreon members. Thank you so much for all your support. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, usually tumblers, but today we did a hoodie. So talk to you guys later. Bye.